Alright. And if it was not breaking, that would sound different. So, alright, so, excellent. So you're going to provide, every time he makes a movement, you're going to provide his sound effects. Does that make sense? And every time Paul makes a movement, you're going to provide Paul's sound effects. Alright? You guys get it? Yeah. Alright, here we go. What is a bizarre holiday no one's ever heard of?
Festivus.
Festivus.
Oh wait, we've heard of that.
So bizarre. And what is a tradition of Festivus? Feats of strength. Feats of strength. Feats of strength? Awesome. Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens with that. All right. Feats of strength, Festivus. That is your suggestion. This is called sound effects.
Rodrigo, I am going to show you how to properly do a deadlift. First, you get your legs spread like this. Then you bend your lumbar spine and you grab the bar. Then you lift.
Do you have a hernia, Diego?
No, not yet. Give me another 10 minutes.
You're
so
preparing for Festivus stronger than any other man I've ever met before.
I have failed, Rodrigo. I would like you to do the deadlift.
Really?
Yes, please.
Diego, it would be an honor.
Just this once, please.
This is the famous bar that Papa gave us for deadlifting on Festivus.
Silencio!
Okay! Okay.
Okay, stop.
It's so heavy. Diego, you are stronger than I thought.
But I did fail. I never failed fights, okay? This time it is going to work. What, Rodrigo? As my hands do not split. See, I told you. That was very uneventful. Oh my God! But I have succeeded. Oh! An anti-gravity bar. So it bounced off the ground. Yes, bounce. In fact, it's about to come down again. Look out! Oh, that hit really quick. The bars are falling already. Please, Diego. Oh, now. Is it part of the cost of the barbell? Who did this? Dios mío.
You know who did this? Rodolfo.
He doesn't believe in Festivus.
He does not believe in Festivus.
No, he does not.
You know what must happen?
What?
I must pick it up. In his honor and your honor. Hold on, let me get something to drink first. Perfect!
Drop it! You're fine! You're squealing! Stand up!
Is this squealing
Stand
spine?
up! I'm going to grab, okay?
Okay.
I've seen a chiropractor do this once. Okay. I'm just going to like do something.
Yes.
It's gonna work, okay?
Okay, stretch
It's gonna
it out.
make all sorts of cracking sounds.
Stretch it out. Oh, so much better. I feel like I can fly. Look at this.